Welcome to Hotel Moscow, a landmark of Belgrade, one of the most important architectural gems of the Serbian capital. Built in the style of the Russian secession, which has been under state protection since the second half of the previous century. It was inaugurated by King Peter I Karađorđević himself in 1908. Hotel Moscow is a four-star hotel in Belgrade, one of the oldest currently operating in Serbia. The building has been under governmental protection since 1968. Originally operating as a 36-room inn within the multipurpose Palace Rossija, whose almost 3-year construction, and in January 1908, opening represented a major investment of the Russian Empire in the Kingdom of Serbia economy. Hotel Moskva eventually expanded its facilities to take up the entire palace. The construction began in March 1905. Sheer size of the project attracted many Belgraders, who gathered daily around the construction site, watching the excavation and laying of the foundation. The Rossija Palace, in Serbian, Palata Rossija, was finally opened on Tuesday, 14th of January, 1908, as the biggest privately owned building in Serbia at the time. Its importance to the country was evidenced in the fact that it was personally opened by King Peter I of Serbia. Another part of the opening ceremony was held 3 days later on Friday, the 17th of January with the King's Guard, the Royal Serbian Army's most elite unit. During its over a century-long history, this historic hotel has hosted over 45 million people, including some famous names such as Albert Einstein, Anna Pavlova, Leonid Brezhnev, Indira Gandhi, Ray Charles, Robert De Niro, Brad Pitt, Bernardo Bertolucci, Maxim Gorky, Kirk Douglas, Michael Douglas, Mila Jovovich, and many others.